halfway to. So, as you can see, for your home learning this week, we're going to be looking at how to use a DAW, which is a digital audio workstation, so that you can turn those found sounds from last week into a piece of music. And then today, we're going to be looking at how to download, install, and set up a free DAW. So, firstly, let's take this one back a moment. If you open up your Chrome and type exactly the same as what I've done, you're looking for Studio One 5 Prime. And when you do a search for that, the very first link at the top right here, where it takes you straight to their shop, just click on that link. And as you can see, it is totally free. You still have to add it to the cart, and you do have to log in to check out, so you can get a parent to do that for you or use your own email. So want to create an account. Just pop in your details. Latin America. We're in the UK. I'm going to be using my school email. And a password that's at least 8 characters that I'm going to remember. Repeat that password. And click I am not a robot. I read that. No, I do not want to receive any offers or anything. Click on save and wait for it to do its job. No, don't want to save that. I remember it. Proceed to checkout. Yep, thank you for buying PreSonus for absolutely nothing. There we go. So it says, thank you for your purchase. Below are your order details. Download your software by clicking on your product below. So this is your product. Just click on there. And then you come down to this section. Download, install a window. Or even Windows, not install a window. That may take some time, depending on your internet speed. Mine is pretty rubbish at the moment, so I will fast forward the video. That's the download all done and finished. So click on this down here, and then we can start to install. So yes, English, click OK, then click Next. We agree, and yes, we want to install in that location. Now we just need to wait for it to install. Yours may be quicker, maybe a bit slower. There it goes. And then click on Finish. So now you want to go to your Start menu, find the software you've just installed, which it should say Studio One 5, and then click on it to launch. In a moment you'll come up with this screen, your end user agreement. Just click and then type in your login details, exactly the same as you did when you purchased it for free. So pop in your email, pardon me, and your password that you used. and then log in. So now you have to activate it. You can see you've got 4 different options. You don't want to use the first 3. The 4th is what you want to use, so click on that. Run Studio One Prime and activate. Put in your login details again. So your address, email address, and your password again. And then log in. It's activating the product. There you go. It is now activated on your computer. Just click OK. And Studio One will load. Now, there are some additional files here, which works out at just under 3 gig. I don't have to install it now. So we shall just click the X on that, get rid of that. I can install it at a later date if I want to. Let's close that down. Yeah. Okay, let's maximize this. Now you can see the very first page that you come to when you open Studio One. And what we'll need to do is just check to configure the audio device. So just click on the link. And we can see here with an audio device, it's chosen Windows Audio, and we'll leave it as that. So that's it. We're all done. You've just purchased for free, downloaded and installed, and it's now ready to use. Within the second video this week, we're going to go through how to start a new song and how to import your found sounds. So if you haven't already recorded your found sounds from last week's lesson, I suggest that you do so, because it's going to be awkward to do it without it. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If you do have any technical difficulties, do let me know. You can either email me or send me a message through ClassDojo. Okay, hope the install goes well. Take care, see you in the next video.